The season of love is here and spring is nearly near, and I'm feeling amorous. So I thought I'd share with you my red, hot and pink perfume collection. Agent Provocateur's Femme Fatale. Beautiful, beautiful, sexy fragrance. This has black leather, chili pepper, with a warm dry down of lotus and vanilla. I would definitely recommend this. Wow. Chanel No. 5 Dressed in Red edition, famous for its May rose note, as well as lily of the valley, iris, ylang ylang and peach. This is a very beautiful classic fragrance. The one by Dolce & Gabbana. This is a lovely powdery white floral with a dry peach and a lychee dry down. It's sultry, easy to wear. This is so sensual. Flora Botanica by Balenciaga. This is a gorgeous fragrance with a red twist design at the side. This is an aromatic perfume. This has mint, caladium leaves, it has vetiver and rose. It's gorgeous. Lots of crushed mint, just to give you that fresh vibe. You want to be close to someone when you're wearing this. Magnolia Sensual by Bulgari, also Splendida. This is a beautiful perfume. The vanilla note that is in this fragrance is almost like vanilla ice cream, and you have beautiful sensual jasmine and a very distinct magnolia note. This is a turn on. Really good. This little minx is by Jean-Paul Gaultier, and this is his classique with a twist. The notes are so gorgeous. You have rose and rum, ooh, with a vanilla smooth amber woody dry down. It's really sexy. Jasmine Rouge. This is for true jasmine lovers. It's extremely pronounced. It's lovely and bright. A very pretty jasmine. And it just tickles your fancy. YSL's Elle. This is a fragrance packed with pink berries, jasmine sambac. It's a lovely earthy fragrance with patchouli that I can handle. It's a lovely layering fragrance, especially if you like to wear your sweet fragrances but you just want to enhance your perfume in the evening. Honestly, try this. It's so sophisticated, very elegant, gorgeous perfume. Dot by Marc Jacobs is a very playful, flirty, fruity perfume, and it's good for the young at heart, I would say. So sweet. Escada Magnetism is a really sexy perfume. You should play with this because it is packed with beautiful, sweet caramel and green notes, and it's going to magnetize someone that you may have a crush on, perhaps. Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. This is a warm, cuddly, sensual, comforting fragrance. This is packed with coffee, freesia, blackberry, red berries, and you have pear, rose. It's so exciting. It's really exciting. It's lovely. You know, it's got a lovely sweetness to it, and it's really easy to wear. This is La Vie est Belle en Rose, and this has Centophilia Rose, Damask Rose. It's really fresh and inviting. This has a lovely opening of bergamot, pink pepper, lily of the valley and peony. It's got a lovely sweetness and freshness to it. It's lovely. Dolce & Gabbana's Parfum Intense. We have green mandarin, neroli, and a lovely sensual marshmallow note. It's so beautiful. The tuberose and sandalwood blend so well with this fragrance. Elisab Resort. This is a juicy fragrance. Ooh, so sweet and sexy. This is a beautiful floral fruity perfume. It's really juicy, no lie. We've got pomegranate, red mandarin. It's so gorgeous. There's also sweet frangipani, orange blossom and jasmine. The very addictive Valentina Pink by Valentino. This is something else. This beauty is made with strawberries, pralines, May Rose, Centophilia Rose, Rosebuds and Peony. So if you love your rosy, sweet fragrances, this is a must. It's like strawberries and cream. Bouquet Ideal is absolutely ideal, and it does have the most glorious bouquet imaginable. It is gorgeous. We have such beautiful yummy notes such as cinnamon and vanilla, nutmeg. It's like a sexy cinnamon bun wrapped up and pushed into a sexy red seductive bottle, and this really opens up the senses. It's so beautiful, one of my favorites. You give me fever. Jimmy Choo's Fever. This has plum, lychee, grapefruit with benzoin and tonka bean and sandalwood. It's a really dark, sultry perfume. Really beautiful date night suggestion. La 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 la. I just can't get you out of my head. Well, maybe your lover won't if you wear this. This is a very sharp blood orange perfume with juicy pear and rose. Oh, this will excite any evening for sure. With a little cheeky bum bum to boot. Narciso Eau de Parfum Rouge. This has a amber woody base with black and white cedar, but it has Bulgarian rose and iris, which has got quite a warm effect to the fragrance. It's kind of got a dry musk dry down. So for you musk lovers, you will absolutely adore this. It smells really fruity today. That was unexpected. And for all my lovers out there, let's get nutty with Diesel's Loverdose Red Kiss. This is a very sensual aphrodisiac. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. Loverdose Red Kiss is a floriental perfume. It's beautiful. It's got creamy hazelnut. We've got sugary notes, berry notes, cacao, orange blossom. I wear this every Valentine's. It's beautiful. With the perfect shape to symbolize I love you. Wow, 20 beautiful fragrances for you to all explore. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful season of love. Smooches, until next time.